Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So we'll be discussing these questions from linear equations. It is actually quite a simple question, but the thing is you need to optimize the time during the exam, right? You need to be doing the methods which will save you time. Okay, so the question says the graph of a function f is shown in the xy plane above. If b equals to 2a, what is the value of a? So we need to find this a here. Okay, so first of all, we should be able to understand, okay, I need the equation of the line. Now, one common form of linear equation that everyone knows is the slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is your y intercept. M is your slope and b is your y intercept. Now what is this b in our case? In our case it is this 3 where the graph intersects the y-axis. That's our y-intercept. So we got it as 3. Now about the slope, what is our slope? Slope is rise over run. Okay. The slope we can find as rise over run. Now here it is slope is one form of doing tan that we do in trigonometry. So the rise here is this 3, the vertical. If you have this triangle, if I take this triangle here, for this triangle I'm taking, this is 3 and this is 5, right? The distance would be from 0 to 5, it is 5. From 0 to 3, it is 3. So 3, 5. So it is 3 over 5. But one thing which is there, this is not rise. We are kind of going down, no? So it is negative 3. Going down, negative 3, and going right is positive 5. If you're doing slope directly by rise over run, you need to go from one point to other point. Now, rise, if you go up, it is positive. If you go down, it is negative. If you go right, it is positive. If you go left, it is negative. So 3, we went down. To go from this point, we went 3 steps down. So negative 3 and 5 steps right. So a positive 5. Now, we have the slope. Slope is negative 3 over 5. We have the equation. Y equals negative 3 over 5. X, then the intercept, which is 3 plus 3. You have the equation. Next, what will you do? You need A and you have A and B, right? And you need to figure out B. Sorry, A. So you have A, you have B. Okay. Now B is given as 2 times A. Take A as A is your X and B is your Y. Okay. So Y is 2A, Y is 2A and X is A. That we will substitute in our equation. So we are doing at A comma 2A. This is our point. So instead of Y, we'll write 2A minus 3 equals to negative 3 over 5x. X is A plus 3. Simplify it, you will get 15 over 3. If you simplify it algebraically, you'll get 15 over 3. Or let me actually simplify it here. No biggie. So first of all, we'll move this negative 3 over 5a, or we'll add this 2a plus 3 over 5a equals to 3. Now do least common multiple method or do the cross multiplication, however you like it. What will you get? You'll get 10a plus 3a over 5 equals to 3. 10a plus 3a is 13a over 5 is equal to 3. So multiply with 5 over 13, a will be equal to 3 times 5 over 13, which is equal to 15 over 13. Okay, so that is your answer, 15 over 13. Now, this is algebraic method and it took us time to do. Well, for getting the equation of the line, this method was the quickest. We are talking about optimizing the time. If you want to optimize your time, get this equation. Now, in this case, getting equation this way was pretty easy because you had both the intercepts. That is why getting the equation directly was easy in slope intercept form itself. But when you see the paper, you lose it, kind of. We are in blues. Okay, what we need to do. We can do linear regression in Desmos. So we'll do our 2.03 and I guess I had 50. I'll click here, do my regression. I got the equation of the line. Now I'll just copy this equation of the line. I'll paste it here. Now I need to find a point, like if I zoom in, my point is somewhere here, no? If I scroll in and do like this, I should be able to work out my point somewhere. But this is a lot of guesswork, no? A and 2A, okay? So I just have to kind of find the double. Like the x coordinate should be A and the y coordinate should be 2 times that number. So see how I did it, I just clicked on the line and just scrolled. Now this is a long way. This is a lot of guesswork now. So our point was A and B. A is A only, B is 2A. Okay, in Desmos, I need to do X. I cannot work with these things. This is my X, this is my Y. So if I take A as X, then my Y is 2 times X. This is what I will work with in Desmos. Desmos will only take X and Y as variables. So X is X only, Y I will write as 2X. I got this green line, that is my answer, 1.15. Now go to the question and see which one is almost 1.15. See, 5 over 2 is almost 2.5. 5 over 4 is, like you can just simply check here. Okay, 5 over 4, 1.25, not your answer. Then you will check 15 over 13. Okay, that is your answer. And also you can check 16 over 15 if you check. 16 over 15. This is 1.06 because they are very close to each other. It won't give you 1.15. That is also another thing to notice. So that's all about the question. Your final answer is option C. It's all about optimizing the time. It's not what most of the times Desmos will save you time by doing calculations or whatever. Even if you get the equation this way, once you get this equation here, you can plug this in the Desmos. Just write instead of A, write X, and you are done. Okay. So students, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.